Question number 16, exercise 6.3. Question is, if AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, these are the medians. So we have discussed already, if these are the medians, so this will be equal to this and this will be equal to this. This is given in the question, and also one thing is given, that triangle ABC is similar. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, it is also given. Now to prove AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. This we have to prove. So we have to analyze first of all how we can get this relation. Okay, here you can see AB and AD. AB and AD. That means this small triangle. And PQ and PM. PQ and PM means this small triangle. If I prove these two triangles similar, then our question will be solved. Now how we can prove these two triangles similar? We have these conditions only given with. Okay, these two conditions are given only. Since triangle ABC, now we will start. Whatever we have, we will start with that. First, we have triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is similar. So when two triangles are similar, you all know that corresponding sides are proportional. So what are the corresponding sides? Just write down. AB upon PQ will be equal to BC upon QR, and third side is AC upon PR. Because these two triangles are similar, so we can have this relation, because corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Let it be first equation. Because these two triangles are similar, so this relation we can have. And the second thing is also all the three angles will be equal. So also angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. Let it be second equation. So the thing that they have given us, usse we have analyzed and we have derived these two equations from that similar triangles. Now second thing that they have given us is that AD and PM are medians. So if they are medians, so they will divide their opposite sides. So since AD and PM are the medians, so we can write BD is equals to BC by 2 and QM is equals to QR by 2. That is BC is equals to 2BD and QR is equals to 2QM. We can write this because this is midpoint. So BD is half of BC and QM is half of QR. And since it is half, so we can write that BC is double of BD here and QR is double of this QM. We can write this. Now these values BC and QR we will put in this first equation. What is BC and what is QR, you can put in that equation. So let it be third equation. Now from equation 1 and 3 we have AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR के प्लेस पे BC की जगह I can put 2BD and in place of QR I can have 2QM. So AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. Let it be fourth equation. So now we have proved that AB upon PQ is equals to BD. This BD upon QM. So now we can what we were supposed to do in this I have explained earlier. Initially we have decided that we have to prove this small triangle and this small triangle similar. So for similarity now we have this, that AB upon PQ is equals to BD. छोटे वाले triangle की side BD is upon QM. So now we can prove the similarity in these two triangles that we have decided in the beginning of the question. So simply you will write now in triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Okay, in these two triangles AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM from equation 4, and this angle B is equals to angle Q from equation 2 because these triangles were similar from equation 2. So by SAS criteria, SAS similarity criteria, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM, and since these two triangles are similar, so we can say AB upon PQ will be equal to AD upon PM, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Hence, 2